So, what you're trying to say is that you fell here from another world? But when you wanted to leave and go on to the next world, your path was blocked by some unknown god?
Outlanders, your journey ends here. Who are you? The sustainer of heavenly principles. The arrogation of mankind ends now.
Give my sister back! And just like that, the god took away my sister. Some kind of seal was cast upon me, and I lost my power. So while we used to travel from world to world, we are now trapped here. How many years ago was it? I don't know. But I intend to find out. When I woke, I was all alone, until I met you 2 months ago.
Yeah, Paimon really owes you for that. Otherwise, Paimon likely would have drowned. So Paimon will do her best to be a great guide. We should head off. Let's get going. Depletes stamina, and depleted stamina takes time to recover. Okay, let's take the route we planned. We're off to a Statue of the Seven. Which of the 7 are you looking for exactly? Oh, wow! Statue of the Seven! There are a few of these statues scattered across the land to show the Seven's protection. Among the Paimon! As we all know, poetry and language flow like the wind. There'll definitely be someone there who knows about your sister. At least that's what Paimon thinks. Whether the gods actually answer you is a different story. You never know unless you try. So let's hop to it.
A reward on the road.
You can swim right over. Ooh, did you just see? As much as they may want it, people in this world, it's a bit. If we keep heading west from Mondstadt, so perhaps there are also. Let's move the elements.
Windblade! Disappear!
These are the animal powers you got from the Statue of the Seven. Oh, Paimon's so jealous. Why doesn't Paimon get cool fighting powers? Towards the heart of the forest! We must proceed with caution. Look at that!
Don't be afraid. It's all right now. I'm back.
Is he talking to a dragon?
Who's there?
Luckily, Paimon managed to grab hold just what... It definitely... Yeah. Oh, what's that? There's some kind of shiny... Let's go take... Be careful. Paimon doesn't have a good feeling about this. Paimon's never seen us do... All Paimon knows is that it's dangerous. Best we put it away for now. Okay, we've got it. Now let's get...
Stop right there! May the Animo God protect you, stranger. I am Amber, outrider for the Knights of Favonius. You don't look like citizens of Mondstadt.
Well, we're not looking for trouble.
That's what all the troublemakers say. And this mascot. What's the deal with it?
Hey! That's even worse than being a mascot!
So to sum it up, well, look, it's not far from here.
Oh, aren't you out?
I am. Besides, I'm still not sure if I can trust you two. Oh, I give you. That sound. Do you have something? So, suspicious travelers, what are you doing in Mondstadt?
He got separated from his sister during a real... Paimon is his travel buddy, helping him to find his sister.
Oh, looking for your family? Huh. Okay, let me finish my other stuff first, and then I can help you put up posters around the city.
What exactly is it you need to finish doing first?
It's simple. You'll understand in a bit.
A hilichurl.
Quick, get it! Ha! 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 These monsters have been getting too close to the city recently. My task this time is to clear out their camp. Nothing to... Though I've got to say, you surprised me a little with thanks for the backup. How'd it feel?
Now that you meant these...
Exactly. But because the dragon, Storm Terror, has been around... When the storms hit, we usually end up with at least a few injuries. So the night...
So these annoying creatures have...
Exactly. Come with me. A responsible...
Windblade!
What's that? It smells so good!
What should I... Oh, are you travelers from around here as well?
No, we...
I see. I'm lit. Eat before...
Picnic? My travel partner here is good.
That's okay. You won't get a... There are some mushrooms and meat in the barrel over there. Is it done? Let me try. Now that's really...
Paimon, Toad.
With your cold... Oh,
Can we really...
that's okay. There's also...
Okay, thank you for the info.
you I'd win.
Welcome to Mondstadt.
Let me officially introduce the city of wind, dandelions, and freedom. Travelers under the protection of the Knights of Favonius, welcome to Mondstadt.
Finally, no more having to camp outdoors. But the city folk don't look too cheery.
Everyone's but everything.
Jean?
Acting grand with Jean on our side. Surely even the vicious Storm Terror. Before I take you guys to the Knights, it's a reward for.
Hey! Why doesn't.
Because this reward, but.
Sticky Hunt?
Come with me. This used to be a bustling street, but with so many Storm Terror attacks recently, the usual crowds are nowhere to be seen. Except for the local tavern near the city wall over there. They haven't been affected. If anything, their business is better than ever. So, Outriders, I brought you here.
Oh.
Well, it's easy to.
Yeah!
The sky.
Huh? How are you staying afloat like this with just a wind glider?
I'm preventing your fall with the power of 1,000 winds. Now, concentrate. See yourself grasping the wind. Harness its energy.
Who said that?
You've actually got the power to go up against the dragon. Are you a new ally? Or a new storm?
Storm Terror is attacking Mondstadt itself! Kaya, Traveler, you've come in—
Hold on, Em.
Oh, right. These two are—
From a...
long story—
I see. Welcome to I'm not really sure, but First and foremost, on behalf of your fight, the acting grant...
Let's—
This seems to be the Knights of Favonius headquarters. Let's head in.
Jean, what's the hurry? I thought we agreed to meet them here.
There have been sightings of storm terror outside the city. Once we meet, we must...
Relax. I'll lend a hand when the time comes.
Jean, I've brought them. And once it was over,
Mondstadt, I am Jean, acting Grand Master of the Knights of Favonius. This is Lisa, our resident...
Sadly, storm terror, simply put, Mondstadt's elemental sphere. For a mage, it couldn't get much worse. My skin is one elemental...
We simply ask that you repose in Mondstadt while we help you seek out your...
good.
With Storm, Lisa has...
Is that so?
They're located in the abyss. Storm...
Our objective, I trust everyone understands.
Paimon doesn't.
Knights of Favonius... The storm is... All right.
Cool it!
Come a little closer.
Don't blink!
You're in for a little
Freeze! This moment will be frozen in time.
Nowhere to hide. Speed of light.
Order guide you.
Let's spark things up a little.
Cool it!
Cut to the chase. Incoming.
I will have order.
Don't get frostbite.
Don't blink. Nowhere to hide.
Try not to enjoy this too.
This is order. Solidified.
Free!
No time to lose. Who's next?
Rain outlines your fate. Rain cutter.
You're mine. Brace yourself. This is gonna hurt.
Eyes on me!
Witness the power of Guwa.
You can run, but you can't hide. Tidal wave. Bring it on.
By royal decree, Shadow Raven!
I let my guard down. Let me weave you a birth.
Riptide. You're mine.
To ashes!
Rain outlines your fate.
You can run, but you can't hide.